Welcome to Have a Nice Time channel. Ready to create amazing images with Flux AI? Let's get started. First, be super specific in your prompts. Describe the style, mood, and lighting to make your image pop. The clearer you are, the better Flux AI can deliver. Here's an example. Generate a serene mountain scene at sunrise, inspired by Ansel Adams. Snow-capped peaks, a calm lake, and a cozy cabin with smoke rising. The sky's a blend of orange, pink, and purple with soft lighting. Now for something playful. Create a vibrant city street at night with a cyberpunk twist. Neon signs, holograms, and a mix of humans and robots. Bright colors, electric blues, pinks, and a flying car overhead. Capture the energy and chaos. Experiment with adding text to images. Specify where the text should go and its style. You can also mix different art styles by mentioning phrases like inspired by or in the style of for unique results. For landscapes or complex scenes, describe every detail. Include time of day, weather, and elements like trees or rivers. The more you describe, the better Flux AI can create your vision. With these tips, you're ready to make fantastic images with Flux AI. Get creative and see where your imagination takes you. Thanks for tuning in to Have a Nice Time channel, where creativity meets fun.